ده ما شغال كلام ده ما تلا ويل كوميونتي عشان جنسيه ده ما يعمل لكم إرهاب جنسيه ده ما شغال is equal to zero جنسيه بتاع أتنيوك بس ده موظف بتاع حكومة بتاع جنوب السودان فيرد تبقى في مالك ما تزيدوا ما تنقصوا أتنيوك أشياء من أول أتنيوك ما citizen تا لندن أتنيوك رانا حكومة زول شغال مو حكومة بتاع سوث السودان ما تقول حكومة تا سلفاكير قول حكومة تا سوث السودان لندن بارب حكومة داك da amal sanction lo kuma da UN amal sanction lo kuma da America amal sanction lo kuma da so you don't need to explain yourself gol junub sudan bas hukuma da junub sudan the minister but information but hukuma da junub sudan America ba aizol barabu hukuma barabu kolo ba jad batal hukuma da ga amalo de alam barabu kolo de shobro so when you talk about him don't worry about his citizenship now kalamutum ga da gol tunata well that's Zoleja, Udalo Grush, Ujai, to kidnap, to kill, to do. Eshil Simon back, fear Jad Katiru Tunga Kalamu. You must be one too. Another Junubin sometime Bezel, another guy Kalamajad Katir. Another guy Kalamajad Katir, Lisan Batana de. Guy Kalamajad Katir. Dezel, your guy Kalam. The question is, hello Tumba, Ribin Kalam de Dagige. Kalam tunga de kalamude da tanyuwek ja mishi London ashanem shishil wala sagarer ja fi junuf to kidnap to kill to assassinate to chunu ajadu tunga de kalamude da giga fi giga fo dumunu minkum fi zol minkum bar kalam de da giga lana de ma junuf Sudan de London a country of the law ituma bamji sagar warazol budun ganun ita mamji warazol beganun basbat. You cannot just go after somebody and accuse somebody of something that's not true. Lana, if you do so, ito bokun criminal. Zole bokun victim. Atanyuwek bokun victim. Ito bokun criminal. Lana, Atanyuwek is protected by the law too in London. Atanyuwek is well protected by the law in London. Mude chanu citizen. Lakin he's a diplomat. The zol da hukuma London barbu tamam ukidamal visa ja kaja fi matar o ja fi London kide is under protection ta London is under protection bata government bata London mashi batariga bata government ta London so kalamu tum ga de kalam bu joye le kalwel malwale da zol ja yaktul walade to kidnap him to assassinate him to do this to do that kalam de nang in tautin fi agiga fogo That's what you need to know first. Lana nona ba ribin kawaja tamam. Kawaja ma shagal ma zol white. Kawaja shagal ma akwa da zol bas. So when you accuse Minister of Information that uja to kidnap this man, young man, el kalam ne fi agi fogo nang en totin de kalam de basal wawal. So lo ma fi agi fogo then he don't need to continue. Ba kalam zede. Lo atenye wek ma ji batariga bataw. Ja London batariga bataw hukuma ol tariga bataw uma tariga ta walade dan kalam tunga da kalam social media you need to quit le lana atanyewek bokun victim you are threatening him you are threatening his life and he had the right you quit the police you quit the hukuma ta London that I jid be tariga batay and I jid be mashwar batay and these people are threatening me. Naze garamal tadidle. Kide Atanyuwek will be protected uzola garamal thread de tabamji mahakama. Tezola gadade zole tabamji mahakama. Aji gande de amul kwele wale sagara tabamba amal rani. You will end up a criminal against him. Lana jadi de gade kalam mukulu de lo mafia giga fogo. Lo mafia giga fogo kalam kidnapping, killing, which you know. Mafia giga fogo zole do ak asha nefta black lano gada ko minkum gada ko wutum jaye min kedeme the wine you know very well how you got offered so you must be warned kalam bata gunda gada kalam fi wode lo mafia giga fogo uzole ma je batare ga bataw wutum gada ko bus asha zole do makela de zol chagal mokuma is working for the government so you fear him da hak bata gum shande ko minu lana hukuma da gada mala jad batal London bar kalam de hukuma da gada malajat batal. But up to now, Zola mind to sanction. At any mind to sanction. It's not sanctioned by London. It's mutauma vi minaza gada malajat batal vijuba. So much yesterday kai just zaizul al bamji London. Maji gata a ticket without hukuma da London amalo welcome. He's not a criminal. You must be warned. He's not a criminal. You will make yourself a criminal. Lana, if you go at him, batariga batamalwal. That's a man malwal. Uzule bau, o aduniki yobao, umuni yobao, umuni yobao. Kalwel malwal le kul busu yelmi dere, umafi agiga fogo. Umafi agiga fogo, mind is bad. You have no agiga fi bele takawajad, there is bad, it's bad. Another guy who bele takawajad, we know how kawaja offred. Kawaja masabak. Kawaja mind to solve. Kawaja got the sijin raised without. Kawaja got the sijin raised without. Raised got the kudu sijin. Bekadif. So low tumba rebutum community well. Al wagima Simon D. That's kalamutum got the column social media de mafia giga fogo. It is just a matter of history. That dole jay and yoktul shil welede yoktulu ya looking up. Then you need to quit. You need to quit. Right away, you need to quit. Lana, tanya weke de dito shagal maukuma. Lo laga opportunity sagar, but opportunity sagar, that's ubari mak bataw fi London. That's tumgadamal ta'did leo. Tawale beshil zol fi makama. Beshil zol fi makama. Bekalam dere. Adani to bukut fi gida makama na kushin bataw bukun pata agade you will never have nothing to say. Lana kalam de magig. Therefore, Naath community wide. You all belong to one community. I tell you what, in the Naath community are well. Don't even think that those might do Naath community are well. I tell you what, in the Naath community are well. Simon D in the Naath community are well. Now the Michael are well, my well, Utum Jam Michael at Okuma, bigger Michael at well, my well. Michael can bukun beta Junusuran Kulu. Utum Shal Brakum. You playing this politics are the family. Utumarabin, Okuma da Junusran. If you want to talk about that government, don't talk about that government just like I tell you where they wallet bitakum now. I tell you where the wallet bitakum. I tell you where the Zol Shagal for Kuma da. You must treat him as a government members. The Zol Shagal parliament was the relam but $1. Zol Kabir for $1. They should. So Madi Shilu Kalam de personal. Ashan te jib mushakal fi community well. Lana well ma chi shakal bro. If you're not careful, Tama gada sada well bakalam de. Tama chi the perfect well. A well will be divided into F. F de bada Tanyawak or F de bada Simon D. Ushakala Nama is not longer ben warap. Ma well tane de shakala ben a well ma well. Oh kadang ay white class. It is a warning. Don't do that. Be wise. Matamal kalam dere. Kalam ma tanyawe kai mo the buta hukuma. Now let's look at Simon D. Did you job Simon D? The hukuma da your job Simon D. The hukuma da your tara Simon D. Simon D mechi Europe. Bebar ashan hukuma batal. O Simon D now got the privilege for asylum to be protected by London. So lo tanyawe ja wara Simon D. I can Simon D jao, then Simon D is a good case. Then Simon D into a winning case. I just Simon D Bogulu Batle Ukuma, Simon D Brau. You don't have to caution. Kulukul. You do not have to caution. The Brau Bamjilo Ukuma to London, that's Nupso Ukuma and Dal Cantorodana. When I came here illegally to London in search of protection, the Ukuma. As a Fizul Rosalo, Fijunu Sudan, Zol Banado. Minister of Information, Atanyawak, Resolu to do anything bad to me. Resolution Yamalaja Batal to kidnap me, to kill me, to do anything. So Anna got a cop. Minajaz Zede, they are just a job in London. The Wale, London Bishil Zole, Walede, Albanaro Simon Dide, will Bishil Malta to be protected. Then London government will go to Atanyawak. London will go to Atanyawak as well as Jagal Lokuma ajabu shunini ana jaba kalam hukuma ya tu hukuma da juba shokol bata junuf hukuma da ana wuzuri lambu da hukuma da aljaba gini shunu fi London de rais bata ga rizalita ulta maji batare ga bata karji ba wara ga de jit bewde oh ana citizen ta London no ita ba citizen ta London ita chakal fi dola tani for how long you been working with that government kawaja laka shokol galas for how long you been working with that government you are a citizen of London now. You don't pay tax here. It is Shagal through Kumada Junus Sudan, and you don't pay tax in London. You are a citizen here. I didn't be like a last bigger make like a bit. Yo, Jirim, yo, Jirim at Akawaja yode. I tell you where the Shagal Kumada guy. Okumada Dola Tani. It is citizen, but I it a map for taking it. You don't do nothing here. Hey, the Mushakala. Kede, Kawaja said the Martin. And I said, I tell you what, Barja Juba, I tell you what, Bumsugu. Bumsugu by legal term that Ushagal Fidola Tani, Umabat Fatek Fidola. Shagal Fidola Tani, Umabat Fatek. Talgainu business, Maltana as a Umabat Fatek. Now the Malayan decision for London, they Kalam Tech, they make it a Jerim, they Jerim a Kabir, Tamabukun citizen, but our London, or but our America, which is Shagal Fidola Tani. With my bad for attack, for dollar attack, America. America, but see, but Laman Mother, Calamda, I can yom, free make your last and tell us, Kalas, they will get you. What will happen here? Well, at the bananas, I mean, be with the law, rock without Futuras, the Wally Bamulo prove that Zole, the Okuma that you know, Torado. That's why Jaff in London illegally was a Okuma Jawarao. Case with Azole in Taka, the bigger quest. Simon Digade, but the law of Iraq, but London. Ukuma da Junum Sudan mind jurisdiction, I shall kill Zol for Maltani. Ajade Kadamul for Kenya for dollar Arab. Ajade Beshilu Zole for Ukuma da Junub, Beshilita for that dollar Arab, the mad dollar Takawajat. So to family with our well, mother cough, Minzole. Zole Mabamalajan, well, the calls. Nothing. Mind of war Kulugul. Lo jerabo bokut decision belede bokut atanya wegbe bokut decision mabarja jinu srandane lo jerab kalam da fudutta wala da lakin utum gaman lo utum amal galat utum gare kid fudut bitaw indu akaman efta bala fudut bitakum indu kashe efta bala fudut bitakum hukuma ta kawaje de ma shagal badol white hukuma ta kawaje de shagal ba hak basu ganun London the Beleta Ganun. But having said that the London the Beleta Ganun crime are committed in London, come on, not box for London. Be major in Babeo, but there will be a better RBL, but there will be a Vesla. I just for London, I just for America, I just for Canada. So local amne the Hagiga. That's a tenual job, the Guru shall be well at the barra, then the Wale, a died for social media, the Cebu. A died with social media, they say, social media, they may welcome. To Mamjilo Kumata London, Kai community are well to protect Simon D. A died get treat with social media, they say, will Bagnas, Lakin Nas Kubar, Aldera Malaja Quest, le Simon D. Amshilo Kumata London, that's life that one lady is in danger. Ukuma Russell Lol, Ukuma Batal, Boktul Finaz, the University. Don't forget, family that one lady, Musakukalas. Family Simon D. Simon D. do good case against that government. Simon D. do case tamam against that government. Lana hukuma da musuk family bataw. Wasa hukuma da jawarao. Der musuku. Fi dola tani. Kade de shokol bata London ashana tanyu bagde musuku. Lana London bada butamam hukuma da kere na boktul nas. You know? So you have nothing to fear of. You have nothing to be afraid of. Well, the day is not in danger. In any eye. In any way. Lakin I tell you we're not going to be all. Lord, I give yes. Naath got a view for London. Zol, book to Zol. Guru de batal. So low to Mutakedin. I tell you work the job Guru de Shanabi Walla de Bara. Then I'm chill Hukumata London to my in Facebook. Utum there in Hukumata London. The man Naath the human right. The man and Zol already under protection but at London. Simon D is already under protection to London. Into case with the hukuma da. Gata bar bakalam hukuma da batal. hukuma da alam barbu tamam da hukuma batal da hukuma boktul fi shab so lo hukuma da wasal fi London ga da firi nas fi London then London will do something atani wa ba kuju sijin tawal ma bishub junu sudan ta ne ma yakdibule ku muzo le jinsi ba da junu algar bi sijin fi London da kulu ma da nas wala du balade da nas wala du fi London al malyan mijrim de mijrim lo atani wa da mijrim ja wara zole dan atani wa is a criminal lakin lo tum mai shi sakat bano galat wa tani wa kutum ga da do be lugo bata mu lugo bada welle wain man no chunu da de atani wa gre bam ji lo kuma da London da ya kwana I came here on my own. I'm just minding my business. I don't know le na del ga de kul gala jayne to kill somebody naktul munu fi London ya kwana zana ga de ko mi na zere then atani wa become a victim. Atanyewek become a victim. Do not make him a victim. Do not make Atanyewek a victim. Sometimes anana junubin de we talk. Ata anana zol bedekal zol fi jirima zol der saadu de. Simon D de nothing can happen to him. Nothing. Absolutely zero. Ma fi Simon D berjaw fi junub. Ma fi Simon D boktulu. Or assassination or Chunu, a nation will never happen. Will never happen. Simon D is well protected by London government, British government. Simon D into case. He came because of Hukuma al-Makweze, Hukuma al-Boktul Vishaf. So the members of that government follow him to London. Then London will be glad to deal with Atanyewek. Lakin utum nas bata well madere died with social media. Amshi mukta bata London. Mukta bata hukuma. Dama mukta bata human right. Dama mukta bata munu. Zole ma gad fi yeta human right. Zole gad fi Simon D gad fi yeta hukuma. Lawyer bata, they call him a government lawyer. Lawyer shakal my immigration. The lawyer that will make decision. The munu bo go to London. Or the munu bo tarodo. The lawyer to hukuma. He's a government lawyer. The man not the human right. Kalam human right if you know Sudan now. The man fi kalam human right for London. Fi ganun but for London. Though the man God for London ma kalam human right. O God for London ma kalam Michael al fi junuf. And he must be protected by London law. Wale lemin maja masagu God for immigration. Protected by London law. Ulo fizol jam in Junub Sudan banaro Atanyewek uga the fridge fi welede, then London will be more heavy. Acha Atanyewek de sejenu. Be sejenu? Atanyewek de be sejenu? Lakin Atanyewek ma be sejenu be kidif. Atanyewek ma be sejenu be kidif. Be sejenu ba giga. Lana Atanyewek will have a right to defend himself. So utum community well. Check out the social media there. Atanyewek de to amal zede to Janata well. Atanyewek ma Janata well. Atanyewek shagal ma hukuma. When you malele gedam when you want to talk about him, put title batao. Minister of Information, but that's South Sudan to make your case. Now when you talk about Atanyewek barao, ma bizul bad about Atanyewek. They come Atanyewek fi Malwan. How many Atanyewek guard fi Malwan? Min ma digi do gulba Atanyewek. How many Atanyewek do you have? Too many Atanyewek. So how do we know who you're talking about? The world will never know what you're talking about. Identify Zole by title batao. No Zole jaya amalaja batal le walede, then go to the government. But London. Government walede gafiyeta government. Lawyer batao the lawyer with our government. For immigration, when it dekal vidola ta na umesaguita. Only lawyer with our government will make this decision whether you will stay in America or you will be deported. The lawyer at our government. Lawyer but is nothing. Either is defend the government markets batak. Why do you fear your country? You think that Boktuluita fi beleg batak. Naath batay mesako.